Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today let us make a special drink, Jigardanda. This is the best drink for summer and the very best drink for iftar during Ramadan. This will cool our body completely. For this we need the main ingredient, the badam gum. This has more medicinal values. This we can get readily from all the supermarkets and the cold stores. We have to soak this overnight. Very little will be enough. This will become more after 8 hours. Now we have to add enough water. This will double the size and let it soak overnight. Early morning you can see this become jelly now. Very soft and become jelly. Now let us start. For this drink we need 1 liter of milk. The first half liter we are going to make it a malai milk. That is, we are going to reduce the milk and going to make the malai milk. For this I have taken half a liter of milk in a pan and just let it boil now. We have to reduce this milk completely. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. Now the milk has started boiling. I have not cut this video because I want you to see how the malai is forming. You can see this. We have to take it out and just keep on boiling. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar to this and just mix well. Now you can see this has reduced. Now this is it. We have to take it out and keep it aside. This is malai milk is ready now. Now let us caramel the sugar. This step is very important because the jigardanda's color, we are going to caramel the sugar, and this caramelized sugar will give the color to the jigardanda. Keep on stirring. Keep it in the low medium heat and we have to keep on stirring. You can see this has become dark brown color. When this starts bubbling, we can switch off the stove, add little water to this so that it will not become sticky. Then keep it aside. Now the second half liter of the milk we are going to boil now. This we need not reduce. We have to just boil and take it out. You can see this starts boiling. Now this is it. Switch off the stove. Now we are going to add the caramel, 2 teaspoons of caramel in the malai milk and 2 teaspoons of the caramel in the normal milk. This is just to add the color. I have not used more sugar to this because we are going to add the syrup also and the caramel sugar also sweet. So if you want to have more sweet, you can even add more sweet. Now this is ready. The malai milk is ready. Now the normal milk. All the ingredients, that is the malai milk and the normal milk, everything you have to refrigerate for at least half an hour. After half an hour, take it out. This is the Nannari syrup I have bought from the supermarket. This is readily available there. And we need ice cream for making the jigardanda. This is the badam gum jelly which we soaked, and this is the normal milk, and this is the malai milk, and this is the caramel sugar. Everything is ready now. Let us start making the jigardanda. In a glass, first of all, add the badam gum jelly. You have to add 2 to 3 teaspoons. Now add the malai milk. Three to 4 tablespoons of malai milk you can add. Now 1 teaspoon of the Nannari syrup. This syrup we can make at home also, but I bought from the supermarket. Now add the ice cream. Vanilla ice cream will be best for this drink. Now add the normal milk which we boiled with the caramel sugar. Now again the malai milk and again the caramel milk, and finally add 2 tablespoons of ice cream, and on the top you have to just add the caramel sugar just for garnishing. And this is it. This drink will cool our body completely. We can make this drink for iftar, and this jigardanda is really very famous and popular in Madurai. That is one of the districts in Tamil Nadu. This is very tasty drink. If you take this once, then you will always make at home. So please do try this and give the comment. And do not forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching.